In this video I'm breaking down the top 5 best budget mechanical keyboards that you can buy in 2023. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description box down below, and by the end of this video you will know exactly what the best keyboard is for you. Number 5. Keychron K10. The Keychron K10 is the best budget mechanical keyboard that we've tested. It offers a fully wireless experience, connecting with up to 3 devices using Bluetooth. With an outstanding battery life of up to 70 hours with backlighting on or up to 240 hours with it off, you won't have to worry about charging it frequently. The K10 offers a typing experience that feels and sounds good right out of the box. So, while you can purchase a hot swappable version that allows you to easily change out the switches, the stock Keychron G Pro switches feel great as they are. Though made of ABS plastic, the keycaps feel great on the fingertips, and the keys themselves are very stable. Like all other keyboards in Keychron's K series, it has a compatibility toggle to switch operating systems and includes extra system-specific keycaps. While we recommend the full-sized K10 here, Keychron's K series has a range of sizes and configurations available, and all of these boards come in at a budget-friendly price point, so it's worth checking out their website to see what configuration works best for you. Number 4. Razer Huntsman Mini. While our top pick, the Keychron K10, is an outstanding out-of-the-box option for general use, you might be looking for something geared toward gaming. If so, we recommend the Razer Huntsman Mini thanks to its exceptionally low latency and highly responsive clicky optical switches, though quieter linear optical switches are also available. These features are normally on boards with much higher price tags. However, note that this keyboard is best suited as a dedicated gaming unit, since you might find the optical switches cause you to make more typos during regular use due to their sensitivity. Its compact size allows for dynamic mouse movements, but it isn't a good fit for general productivity work, like data entry or spreadsheets, due to the lack of arrow keys and a number pad. In addition to its high-performance gaming features, this keyboard has a high build quality with a hard plastic frame, aluminum top plate, and durable double-shot PBT keycaps that aren't prone to fading or becoming slippery over time, though they are a little wobbly. There's a detachable cable that's easy to replace if it gets damaged. Number 3. Cooler Master CK552. The Cooler Master CK552 is the best budget mechanical keyboard for most users. It's a full-sized gaming keyboard with RGB backlighting, an aluminum top plate, and a 5.9-foot, 1.8 USB 2.0 cable. It comes with Keychron switches in red, linear, blue, clicky, or brown, tactile. Our review unit came equipped with Keychron red switches that proved responsive during gaming, so much so that our review occasionally pressed keys they didn't mean to. This also means it stumbled a bit during heavy typing sessions. Choosing a different switch type might help, but the other switch options are more difficult to find online at this time. Good for gamers and enthusiasts, the CK552 features onboard memory that can store up to 4 profiles and on-the-fly controls that make it easy to record macros and control the backlighting. It's also compatible with the Cooler Master Portal utility, which offers more granular controls over many of the same areas but isn't as robust as rivals, such as Razer Synapse. Number 2. Logitech K845. Logitech's K845 replaces our previous budget productivity pick, the K840. It costs about $10 more, but adds white backlighting to the keys, which you can configure in one of 5 patterns, and adjust to 3 levels of brightness, plus off. For a street price of $59.99, you get a full-sized mechanical layout with an aluminum top plate and your choice of red, linear, blue, clicky tactile, or brown, tactile, switches made by TTC. For $20 more, you can opt for one of the 845CH models, which use cherry switches, red or blue. The company sent us an 845 with TTC blue switches, and we found them a satisfying substitute over the Cherry MX blue switches in our DOS keyboard daily driver. The Logitech K845 also sports an aluminum top plate that both looks good and delivers a more premium feel than you might expect from a keyboard in this price range. That said, if you're used to pricier keyboards with lots of heft, The 1.72-pound weight and plastic shell don't exactly scream high-quality keyboard. Still, the switches are rated to 50 million clicks, and the molded keycaps mean you don't have to worry about the labels fading, though we're not a huge fan of the chunky font. There are no dedicated macro or media keys, included software, or detachable cable. And the white backlight isn't as snazzy as RGB. Now, the last product on the list is MSI Vigor GK50 Elite. The MSI Vigor GK50 Elite, along with the low-profile version also on this video, is a great keyboard for typing. It's a cheaper alternative to other favored typing clackers, like the Hexgear's Impulse, currently $100. Like the Impulse, the Vigor GK50 Elite offers the excellent Kale box white switches. You can also get this keyboard with Kale blue switches, so it'll be loud and clicky no matter what. While the plastic keycaps here aren't fancy, they did a great job of fighting off fingerprint smudges during our testing. MSI also included a premium top plate, but skimped a bit on the cable, which is rubber that doesn't have much reinforcement for durability. But this is still a well-priced, albeit simple, keyboard with a premium typing experience. Gamers will miss out on lavish premium features, like bonus macro keys or onboard memory. Additionally, the Vigor GK50 Elite is only available with clicky, tactile switches that can be exhausting to hit rapidly and repeatedly. So, that's all about today's video. See you guys next time.